we go. Hi. Do you have something else playing? Is that just background noise? Just traffic noise. Hey, hi, it's Nick. It's day 3,529. And today is the second day that we're doing things for Not a Game Jam. We got a lot of work done yesterday. I'm not feeling great about today, but we're gonna do our best and make something. Let's go check in with what we have so far. Right. And so we've got, I need Godot open. Godot open. No, that's wrong. And then I need my text file. What did I do with that? There you are. All right. Let me get rid of all this. This is all bullshit now. Yes, dialog boxes, kind of. 3 versions. Yes, we need new versions of that. This is fine. Water shouldn't be that hard to figure out. We still need to do a low, dreadful ambient drone. What did I land on for background music? We made something. Where is it? Confirm sound. Oh, it's not in here. I think it's a different project in Ableton. Maybe I was working on it but didn't export it. Open live set. This one. Oh. Okay. And then it was just... Yes. Okay, yeah, we can just export this actually. Whoa. Wait, what is this? What's this? Why is it changed to a speaker? I haven't seen that before. File. Export. Yep. Yep. Alright. And then we can go back to our other live set for now. Okay. And we should be able to, in main, what do I have, no wait, do I have it on the main sound handler? It's PGM, yep. Yep. And then loop should still be autoplays on. Hopefully, what was that? It's in import. Oh, loop on. Re-import. Okay, so do we get the right? back do we need to go? I guess it'd be good to have a couple of like objects around just to give a sense of depth. Okay, so there's a couple things that we can work on right now. We can either try and do the like cutscene triggering type stuff and use a placeholder for the so like here we're gonna need definitely we'll just do a 3D scene and we'll name it War Cloud. And then we're gonna need another one that's called Drug Cloud. Save, yes. Save, yes. And so then what we need, I think this is just our child node, or this is our node. And then we can add a child node that is a mesh. And we will make it just a sphere. Sphere mesh, thank you. And then, does it need to be, I guess I kind of want just a sphere to understand where the center of a thing is. Because it doesn't really yeah. Can make it a bit smaller. Go with like 0.5 here and 0.25 here. Yeah. And then we need what? A second mesh. And this mesh will be, we'll call this one core. And this one will be called orbiter. And then we will make it another sphere. And this needs to be even smaller than the first sphere, or at least for our purposes here. We'll do 0.125 with a height of, what do we want? 0.25. Drag it out here. Okay, and then for this we want a script. No, yeah, create. And then it needs to be, what is it? Function process delta. Oh, it's been a while since I've written any code. Expected indent block after fun. Oh, wait. Hold on, let me look at this so I can remember how these work. Yeah, that's right. And then, so let's say on every process frame, we wanted the thing's rotation. It's just like rotation dot y, so it should spin on the xy plane, on a flat plane, plus equals, and it uses like radians, I don't even know, plus equals 1 times delta. So now it should just orbit, right? That's all I actually need. So we'll go here, 3D, And we're over here, so we'll save this. Go down here. And then add the war cloud here. Lift him up a little bit. So now it should be that it just rotates. It just sits there and rotates, right? Oh yeah! Oh man, this is so computers are so easy. Are you kidding me? Fantastic. Yeah, first try, no problem. I'm very worried. The core of what I'm worried about on getting stuff done today is just not being able to summon up all of the stuff that I've already learned how to do. I have to kind of like relearn it. So what else do we? Also, hi Rusty, how's it going? What are you into today these days? And then we can do. We'll just add another. Wait, can I do? Cancel that. We'll duplicate it and then move it here. And then duplicate it again and move it here. And one more time. I think I said it was going to have 6. Huh. I wanted to do a random cloud at first. My original idea was with a random cloud, but now I'm wondering if doing like a more of an orrery situation. Nice. Yeah, we just had a team building exercise this morning, and it went really well. I love our team. It's a sweet group of people to be a part of, and you know, get a chance to do some work and just even compare works. Everybody's just so talented. Okay, so now we should have like a full kind of like orrery situation, right? Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. Did you guys do a Walmart-style dance? No. Unfortunately, no. So what do I... Maybe I skew the whole thing. I guess I could do a second node that sits on top of this node that's like War Cloud other direction. Because I was imagining doing like a... Where is it? Like one of these, like a old style model of Atom, where it has like 3 different rings and there's just stuff in orbit around them. We would definitely run the risk of having objects collide and clip with their meshes. Yeah, did you not see all of this stuff here? This is from this is the build for Cool Game Fun Game 9, but it's all built on the template that after the false start that was Cool Game Fun Game 8, I actually sat down and spent the time figuring out. None of it was too tough, but yeah, it's got the soundtrack does this thing where it changes, and then also now it's just you hit escape and you can, you know, mute the entire thing. And we got master volume, we got mouse sensitivity, we got music volume independent from sound effects volume, did the whole like audio buses thing. Just like quality of life could reasonably go into any jam game and not really be, in my opinion, like an issue or cheating or whatever. Yeah, so now we've got like a whole orrery situation. Even just this This would be fine. I don't love it, but it would be fine. It's like minimum viable product type shit. And then I could give all of the nodes like a random rotation so that they can kind of drift in there. Do we want to try it with some additional, let's say like rotation dot z equals plus equals 0.5 times delta. Whoa. That works. That actually really works. This is totally what I was. I mean, it's not amazing. I'm sure that a computer person could come in here and be like, why don't you have Boyd's style randomization or whatever? But this is about as good as I was imagining, and we put it together really, really quickly. So do I even need this? I think I actually want to just duplicate the war cloud and call it the drug cloud. What's the easiest way to do that? I guess we want to close this. What? No. Close this. And then find our drug cloud scene, which actually should be like right here. This, delete this. Yes. War cloud. Duplicate. Name it drug cloud. And then yeah, now they're both just the same. We can go back here. We've got war cloud. We'll move him over a little bit. And then we'll bring in drug cloud here. And look at the two different things. And I could fiddle with the rotation a little bit. They both use the same script right now. But maybe I could change can I change the script so it's like, what's it called? I'll just call it noise. Oh my gosh, variable noise equals randef range 0 to 1. And then we can do times noise. Do it once at startup. Oh yeah, we don't want to recreate the variable. You're right. So what is that, like an on ready? Yeah, good call. Otherwise it was gonna re-randomize at every frame and it was gonna get all crazy. So now they should be rotating differently despite the fact that they use the same code. And I think they probably are. Yeah. Okay. And so yeah, then I can just go into drug cloud and like we can just kind of move these a little so it's not obvious that Oh God. So it's not obvious that I'm just regurgitating the... Oop. It's a little bit... That seems okay. This one we need some here. Yeah, that's fine. That's also fine. And the thing is, it would also be really easy to do like moons. On the subnodes by just adding the same code to those. Okay, so we have those. So what we need is excellent. That came together so much faster than I was expecting to. At the rate we're going, we'll be done. You know, hour and a half from now. Zombie, what's up? How's it going? We're here not making a game. I'm sorry. Making a not game. Kind of a perverse exploitation of the Godot game engine for video making reasons. Yeah, do you happen to be from Not a Game Jam? Are you a jammer? Do you have a project you're working on? So now what we need, let's go back to our super good design document. So we've got our clouds, we've got our sun, we've got our whole setup there, at least good enough. So there's I'm still not sure how to go about this part. I can either add some area 3Ds that trigger a script on the clouds for them to move forward and then pop their dialog boxes, or I can, and this is like the cheatingest way to do it, set it up so that they don't move. I walk up to them and talk, and then I walk away, and I walk up to this one and talk. And the advantage of that is that it's going to be less code because for the UI elements, the dialog boxes that appear and disappear, I can set up a thing that is just when I right click, go to the next slide in the false UI. Which reminds me, I wanted to make an extra one that says continue or something where they select yes, because at the end of this whole thing, there's supposed to be a spot where it is ambiguous whether they have selected no or yes, and you only ever hear the no sound while you're getting visual information right now. So I wanted to do one where they do select yes, so that the viewer can understand that the yes and the no have the same sound, so that the ambiguity of the final sound effect is clear. So really what it would be is, how am I going to do that? Where is that in my script? Is it in, what did I put it in? How is this not in main? Menu hide. Menu. Where is menu? Where is this menu? Menu equals settings, this. And do I just have that in here? Yeah, it's okay, so it's just present here. So what we're doing here is on ready, on main, hide menu. So I could just do on ready, on main, do a whole string of hide dialog boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, and then have it be on right click input. How exactly would I do it? So we have this. Wait. Oh, okay, don't care. So we have this. These look like shit, but we have this, and this, and this. This one looks particularly bad. This needs to, I need to get rid of the dark green here. Or I need to change this to something that is less. Just get this out of here for now, because it doesn't look very good. Oh my god, stop. Come on now. No, the other one. I think we need to add maybe even a... If we're going to keep this with the tornado text, it kind of needs to be like this. Because otherwise, how do I add padding? Fit content. No, it's still going off the thing. Hey, what's up? I mean, I'm not like married to this tornado effect. I'm only using it because it was in their like BB code example. Hey, me too. I got all my productive stuff done. I got my laundry done. I got the garbage and recycling out. I did not wash the dishes, but there's not that many dishes. And then and I didn't shower either. Whoops. And then I went to the grocery store, came home, put that all away, took a quick nap. Guess that's what happens when you start smoking weed at 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so we just have these dialogues, which are all fine. I think I need... what do I need to do? I need this to be a color. What color should it be? Yellow? Like that. And then we can do the same thing here. Same thing here. And so then if I add these, so let's go back to main. We will add a child node that is just like a agnostic control node. I just need a control node. And we will call that control node. Wait, do they have to exist on the same scene? Or I mean on the same... No, they can stack. No, there's no way. We'll rename this... We'll rename this dialogues. And then in dialogues, we will add war dialogue. And so now this should just exist on our UI as soon as we start. Yep, perfect. Okay, that actually looks a lot better in-game than it did on the completely... You guys are still hanging out in Gartic phone? This looks so much better right here than it did when I first built it, especially... The dialog box is not good. I don't think I have the time. That'll be like a stretch goal type thing. Also, I'm seeing that A on ally is clipping out of the label again. I don't know how to fix that. I don't think we need to just right this second. Oh no! Don't worry about it. Why? What do you mean it's fine? Can I not make layers of UI? We'll just hide this for now. And so we're going to want to, in dialogues, we will just put in also drug dialogue and sun dialogue. And then sun dialogue needs to be, no wait, drug dialogue needs to be fixed, yeah. There, somewhere, whatever. And then so now they should all be horribly stacked on top of each other. Yep, good, good, good. You won't have a famous old school instant messaging app sound for pop-ups, like a friend request sound? That's an interesting idea. No, as of right now, they each have their individual dialogue, like Banjo-Kazooie thing. So like when this pops up, it would give you the war sound, which is war speak. And then like and then you know when you go and do this one, it's this one. That one needs to be normalized. It's too quiet. And then the sun is, what does the sun sound like? You can go here and it's sun speak. Oh yeah, it's kind of like a Samisen or whatever. Those are all pretty quiet probably for you. Sounds like an aggressive duck. Yeah, it's a gunshot. I think I could see it going a bunch of other different directions, like a boot marching sound or a bugle sound or an explosion sound. That was just the first thing I found that I was like, this will be good enough for now. So now those are all stacked. I think in main, what we need to do is go to the script and say, will I do any block bench work? Unsure as of yet. We're making really surprisingly good progress so far, but I'm still worried I'm going to get hard locked on some other element of the coding half of it. So block bench is like way down the road. I think really what I need right now is I need to figure out this dialogue thing, and then I'm going to do it that way rather than have triggered cutscenes. My initial idea was to have triggered cutscenes where it would be like, you know, there's an area 3D, and when I walk into it, this character moves forward a certain amount, stops, and then their dialogue pops up, and then their dialogue goes away. Um, but I don't think that that's actually how I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it more like a slideshow. And so I have all these control nodes, and I think what I will do is just have it start. Where would I do it? I guess it would be in mains script. No, in the player script? Yeah, I think I do it in the player script. And we do if input is action just pressed, advance. I'll put an input that's like advance. Or I guess we do unhandled input. Yeah, I'd probably do it here. Put if event is right click, advance a global variable that is slideshow, and then on main, check on. Well, I guess we could do it here too. It wouldn't really matter. Yeah, we could do it here where it's check on input if input is. Okay, so we would say it can just be here. I think on ready variable slideshow equals 1, and then we want drug dialogue. Oh, it doesn't know what that is. I have to put all that shit in, huh? There's got to be a smarter way to do this. How do I make them just like a list? I don't want to have just like a bank of UI things that are all either toggled or untoggled, and then check that variable and be like, on input, see what slideshow number you're on, and then do. Well, no, it wouldn't be that hard because, but it would be if this. How do you do like I don't want it to do like an if statement that checks every fucking variable. I just know what actions I want it to do and in what order. And I just want it to say, go to the next one. Every time I right click, go to the next action block. And all the action blocks would be very small. It would be like, the very first one is going to be like, continue dialogue, hide, play, confirm sound. And then when I click again, open war dialogue, play war sound. And then when I click again, close war dialogue, close. A function receiving the ID of the dialogue, you use a switch. I don't I mean, because yeah, I don't want to put on main like all these different variables for like, I could do like variable continue dialogue is this, and then you do this. It's called match in GDScript. Okay, let's see. That's fine. State machine. Match. Wait. Match state. And then input event. Match state. To branch execution is equivalent to switch statement found many things. It's more type strict. One will not match one. Okay, that's fine. Match, and then this value. So it would be on right click, match this value, and then, or just check this value, and then What is pattern? Match X. On 1, do this. On 2, do this. On test, it's a string. A literal pattern. Oh, okay, so there's different kinds of patterns. Match type of this. If it's a float, tell me that. If it's a string, yeah, okay. And then wildcard pattern, da-da-da-da-da. Wait, I called actions. Got it. So what I'm going to want is what? I go here. Slideshow is on 1, I guess. And then it would be down here. If input is action just pressed, right mouse button, and then I need to go into project settings and add that input map. I don't know why, but Godot's fucking settings menu opens halfway between my second and third monitor. It's like split right down the middle. You only can see this part, but there's a whole chunk on the right side, and I cannot move it. So add new action, RMB, add, and it's like freaking out Discord behind it. Add, there you go. Okay. Done. So if input is that, then we do match, just slideshow? Or is it match parentheses slideshow? This? I already forget. I gotta look at it again. No. Match is a literal. That's fine. That's probably good enough. That's all I need it to be. So it's not like this. It's just like this. Yeah. And then, 1. It would be... we're still going to have to do variable dialogue and like hide all the individual elements. I'm not sure how... Can I hide... If I hide just dialogues... So like if I go here and I go like... whatever, I don't even really understand why I do that. Dialogues equals this. Wait, what's the problem? Why is it... Oh, wrong thing. Equals that, and then we can say what? Dialogues dot hide. So that should hide those. So if I right mouse click, then the first one we're going to want is what would it be? Can I do... can I do like sub dialogues dot control? Can I do that? dot show. And also slideshow plus equals 1. Expected what? Or do I want this out of the match case? I'd want it here, right? Because it's always going to be do one from among the match things, and then add one to slideshow. Yes. And then, so first thing it's, yeah, control show, yeah. And if it's 2, I want dialogues dot control dot hide. Oh, do I need an SFX player? Can I just do the file path? Can I just do like that? Does that work? Hide it and confirm dot play. What? What? Can you hear? No. How do I put multiple lines on a single match? Or multiple, like, the block on a single match. Can it not do that? How is this supposed to be formatted? Can it just only do one thing? I don't know what I'm going way up there for. Okay, we'll leave this out for now. Okay, so it should be at least now that when I get in, right mouse button will show the war dialogue, and then when I click again, it will hide the dialogue. Kovo, what's up? How's it going? Okay, nothing broke right away, and then... No, that crashed. Okay. That doesn't surprise me at all. Stop. When this doesn't work. I can't do dialogues.control. I need to do something else. Can I just do... God damn it. Fine, we'll do... we'll just do it hacky. Fuck it, I want to get it done. Okay, war dialogue is this. And then copy that, paste it. Control 2 is drug dialogue. And then is control 3. And that is sun dialogue. And then what's the problem here? Identify not declared in the current step. Oh. I guess we'll just do... We're doing it hacky. We're doing it frickin' hacky. There's 100% a better way to do this. Okay, so it hides everything, and then we can go back down here and change this to war dialogue. And then copy paste it here. Okay, so this should do it. Fucking great. Great! Excellent. And nothing crashed, and everything was good, and everyone went home and had a warm pot pie dinner. So we just need to add, we just need to kind of like copy paste this, I guess. And change this to 3, this to 4, this to drug, this to drug. And then do it again. 5. How's it going, Kubi? What'd you get into today? This will be sun. Okay. I think that's everything. Got to go to sleep? Nice. Love that. Love going to sleep. There's actually, there's like a Pete Holmes stand-up vid I watched the other day where he's talking about, like, just going to sleep. He's like, you don't love to sleep, you love going to sleep. And he described, like, that, where you're laying down, it's like, oh, here we go! As, you're the sugar getting stirred into the coffee. Like, it's just, you're only there for a moment, and then it's like, oh! Gone. Okay, so now... It's like, you've got these basically there, so I can fake it, and I can go over here. Go over here. And then walk up to the cliff, and then it will... No, sun dialogue didn't work. Why? Is it called something else? No, why didn't sun dialogue work? Excuse me. There it is. Oh, that was weird. And then what? What happens if I click again? It crashes? Nothing. Nothing happens. Okay, so... How do I also get it to play the sounds? It seems like you can only do one action per thing, or I just don't understand the syntax of how to do multiple things. It's got a match to do the right thing there, but I guess I need to indent it properly. Okay, but how is that? How? What is the there? Because I tried it here, I think. Do I have, no, I have confirm sound. So it should go, do I not have a player for the sounds? I probably need another sound node to actually be playing the thing. New line right after 1. Okay. And then just put it right there. I mean, I guess for debug, we can just do confirm dot play. Expected a colon or win after match patterns. NN right after the column. What? A new line here? This? This is what we're talking about? And then, but how's it gonna play? Is it gonna stop my music? Oh. In base string, yeah. Wait, is confirm not? It's just a string. We need it in the sound player. It's all wrong. We need no, stop. Stop. We need a new sound thing, I think. What are they called? Player. Audio stream player. Yeah, we can just do audio stream player, I think. Second one. Rename it SFX. And so then we want, oh yeah, sound. We're changing the stream. We just want one shots, yep. So we're gonna want SFX to start as SFX to start as this control or the sound node, and get rid of this, and then go to stream, and we can just start it with WarSpeak, and then down here we do sfx.play, and then here we go new line, like this, sfx.stream becomes load. I guess it probably doesn't matter. Then we can load confirm sound. Actually, we could, yeah, no, that's fine. That's fine. And then sfx.play. So it'll hide it. It'll load the confirm sound and play the confirm sound. Okay. That sound needs to get fixed. Yep. Amazing. This is so, I love the computer. All right. Drug speak, I think. And then that. And then SFX. And then here we just completely copy paste this one. Wow. Our first match case. Isn't this exciting? We can put this one here too. Oops. And then for this one, I need SFX stream equals load sunspeak. And then SFX. Okay, I think that's everything. Well, I need to add another layer up top because I want there to be one that's confirm, or that's like begin or continue or something where they select yes. And I also need to make an alternate version. Oh, I might need to... Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's just check this. Whoop. Oh, I misspelled something. Fucking goddamn it. Where? What? What? Oh, this? Is that what I fucked up? Oh, and this also should be an equal sign. Woo! Also, play has no thing. All right. Getting sloppy. Thought I had it all figured out. Yep. All right. All right. I think that technically speaking, this is like minimum viable product material because it does everything that I needed. Like, I don't even need to reposition anything. I could just, if I'm screen capping it, I can go back here and just go walk, 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 walk. Done. End of video. There's a bunch of fiddling we're going to do instead, but I think we do technically have an MVP of my original vision for this whole thing. So that's really exciting. I was so worried about doing the code side of this because it's like probably my weakest thing that I do, you know, like music, I can fake it kind of. Art, I can fake it kind of, but the computer's just such an unforgiving son of a bitch that sometimes I get hard locked on something and I'm like, I just can't make it work. I don't know. I can't do anything more until I figure out how this works. So far, everything's working. All right, I'm gonna get up for a minute, and when I come back, what do we want to build? I think we could maybe go hit up Sketchfab and try to figure out all the items that we want to put onto the war cloud and the drug cloud. So I'm gonna run ads and I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Commercial. Yes, thank you. I don't think that was that long of a break, but maybe. Make the track 10 minutes? Oh, yeah, 10 minutes for sure. What I was saying was that that last break track that we had was like 17 minutes long because when it's between Ryan and I, oftentimes we will go quite long because either one of us won't be ready in time or the other won't be, and we don't want to start until we're both ready. So, weapons and military. This one's going to be easy. Wait, personalized. Have I not been here before? Okay. No, don't do that. I don't want that. I just want to explore. Free things. Downloadable things. Weapons and military. Yeah, I wouldn't worry about it too much. Can I just search bullet? And it doesn't really matter. I'll take sniper bullet. Can we filter these so that it's like free and licenses, free standard? This one's fine. Dirt bullet. Yeah, this is fine. How do I get it on Fab? What? Fab? What? What the hell is this shit? Come on, man. I just need like a bog standard bullet. This would be fine. Download 3D model. I want the GLTF, I'm pretty sure. And then... Go back. Pistol. Just like this is fine. Knife. Kind of want a more military knife. I don't want just straight up a kitchen knife. Poly pizza instead. Yeah, I'm fine with because I go with we went with low poly in our last game because I made everything in block bench, so that was just the style, the consistent style. But if you go back and look at like Cool Game Fun Game 2, pretty much everything in there is from Sketchfab. I'm not like enamored with the low poly style. I want like this kind of knife. And I think for the purposes of this particular project, low poly is not going to read as well. I think here I'm going more for like almost asset flip horror energy. I'm pretty sure the GLTFs are fine. We can import those. Sword. We should use this one. Oh my gosh. Baphomet sword. I just need like a very standard looking sword. This one's not bad. Oh, you can choose to get it on Fab or get it like normal ways. Maybe I should go back and get the other bullet that I liked more. Okay, we got bullet, pistol, knife, sword, grenade. We can definitely get grenade. This is perfectly acceptable. Download that. Soldier's helmet and blood. I want just like the classic, like World War II bucket soldier's helmet. Kind of like this. Basically what this guy's got on. We could also do this one. That would be fine. Not exactly my vision, but... Or this one. Yeah, we could do this one. Safety helmet. Shredder's helmet. We'll get this one. This is the closest it seems like they have in this category. Download. And then, what do we get if we just do blood? No, I want like a puddle of blood. We might not be able to get it. Is there a different method by which people would typically get... let's try like liquid sphere droplet model. No, this is no. Maybe we will leave that one out. And then we need a beer can, a syringe, cigarette, coffee cup, pill, and a spoon. Beer. Whoop. Sphere beer. Beer. Can I get one with a like a label? Maybe just can. Ugh. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Definitely getting closer, but I don't want Red Bull. I want something that is obviously... Oh, we could do beer bottle. I bet bottle will give us one with a label. Or even just a brown, unlabeled beer bottle. Like classic beer bottle. Oh, here we go. Whiskey bottle. That's pretty good. Oh, here's one with the Jack Daniels label on it even. Or a Maker's Mark. Yeah, we'll go for this. Fuck it. And then we need a pill. No? No, I just want a variety of pills. How do we get like one out of this? I wouldn't know how to do that. Is it gonna, if I download this, does it give me all 5 models as individual models? No, it's a scene. How do it, We could do pill bottle. It's not great. Doesn't have a label. Doesn't really read right. That might be our best option, though. What if I add this? Nothing. All right, we'll get this just in case. Okay, so we have that cigarette. That's not bad. I was kind of hoping for an individual cigarette, but this'll do. Some crazy old cigarettes. I don't think I've gotten a syringe yet. Seems like this is our only choice. Okay, we got syringe, cigarettes, pills, whiskey, a coffee cup, and a spoon. This is alright. I was kind of hoping more for used coffee mug. Nah, it's fine. This is fine. Yeah, this is fine. And a spoon. Yeah, sure, whatever. Spoon, good enough. Okay, so now we need to go in here. All of these. Cut. Paste here. Oh no. Well, actually, that's fine. Extract all. 2 slash 3D assets. Wait, why did... Okay, we'll just go through them one by one. Extract all 2, 3D assets. And I will copy this. Extract the coffee cup. Extract the grenade. Oh, they all need to be their own separate. God damn it. 3D assets. I'll just move everything into there then. This, 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 this. Extract all, yes. Extract all, yes. I guess I could turn this off. You know my life is unreal. Got money and fame and fancy clothes. Got a cat food sponsor deal. But I'd give it all up if I could have just one day, just one day, yeah. Give it up for one day without a doubt. Okay. Now we can go back to our Godot project and close all this. Okay, I think that's all fine. So we want war dialogue in or not war dialogue, we want war cloud. War cloud. And then we want, let's say, this mesh. And then we want the mesh to be can I just, where is 3D assets? Coffee cup. Or no, we want grenade. And then I just slap this here. No, where's this go? How do I? Fuck. What do I do with it to get rid of it? Do I... Does this just need to be a... What happens if I try and just slap this in here? Okay. Oh, we can just replace all the orbiters with these things. Which one is this? Delete. And then a knife. Why is it so much bigger? That's too big of a knife, my friend. Is this the way to do it? Probably not, but hey, here we go. And you delete that. And then we want the pistol. Oh my gosh, why is everything so huge? here. Oh, this one's up above. Oh my goodness. Is that fine? Yeah. And then on this axis, yeah. And we'll get rid of it. No, come on. Give me this orbiter. Delete that. And then, what else do we have? The bastard sword. I can go here, like there. And then go up here. Go. Which one was this looking at? Yeah, that's fine. Okay, and then, what do we have left? 2 more left. The Viking helmet. Uh-oh, why is the Viking helmet so far away from its... Hold on. Hold on, friends. We might need to open this scene. Why is it so high from its center point? And how do I fix that? Take it down to like 0.25 scale. No, that might be too much. 0.5 scale. That's fine. God damn it. The node is so far away from the... It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Grab this, delete that. No, not core. The other one. Isn't there another one right there? Orbiter 3, orbiter. Yeah. Delete that. Yes. And then we didn't get blood, right? Spoon. Medical syringe. Yeah, that's it. So this one has to just go away. Okay. What does that look like? Oh, it's rotating so slowly. Yeah, we're gonna have to add random rotation to the individual nodes, because otherwise, it's gonna look not great. When they're not spheres, it becomes very clear that they're all on the same like plane. Other than that, though, works and looks all right. This grenade needs to be much bigger. There we go. That's all right. The Viking helmet's gonna fuck up when I start rotating it, but I don't know what much more of a choice I have. Okay, save that. Go over here. Coffee cup. Bang. I don't even need to put these at the same positions as the orbiters. I don't know why I'm like insistent on doing that. Good. Medical syringe. Mm-hmm. Probably embiggen this a little, 1.5. Yeah, it's fine. Pack of cigarettes. Not game jam. It's actually going really surprisingly well. Let me wrap up this. Let me wrap up this asset addition stuff that I'm doing, and I can show you what we've got so far. Giant pack of cigarettes. Pill bottle rushed. Whoa. Whoa, buddy. Jeez Louise, that's way too big. It's still way too big. Criminy. Where'd it go? Wait, what? Where the fuck did it go? Where is it on these other perspectives? Why can I only see it on the z-axis? What the fuck is going on here? Is it like a million miles away? Why? Here. Okay, that's better. I think even smaller. Is this... Oh, I can't go any smaller? Okay, I guess. And then we need the spoon. Giant spoon. Actually, just put it out here a little bit. Delete, yes. Okay. Okay. So there, we have our substance abuse cloud. What does this say? Modken Naval Craft. Yeah, so what did we do today? We have set up like the dialogue system, basically. It's fake. It's a fake dialogue system, but um, it works for the purposes of what I'm trying to get done for this jam. And then we've just gone and grabbed all of our assets for the individual people. Could probably stand to rearrange this finally a little bit. This needs to be renamed to Drug Cloud. Wait, is that? Yeah, whatever. Okay, War Cloud, you need to scooch back. Drug Cloud, scooch you back a little bit here. And then Player, you come with me back here too. What's the final video going to be showing? I can show you like an approximate simulation right now. So what it's going to be is right here. There should be a thing that says like continue, question mark, and then a yes or no. And then you hit a button and it'd play a sound and that would disappear. And then it would start and I walk up to this guy. He's like a whirling cloud of weapons of war. And then you choose no. I have to make the choose no. And go over here, walk over to this guy. And you walk over here. And then about here, honestly, is where I want to put an area 3D that will trigger movement over here on the sun. Because what I'm thinking is I want the sun to be below the horizon, and when I start to get close, when I'm like, I don't know, you know, once I've done this bit and I go over here and I want it to rise, and then I also want to add a sound player 3D that has some kind of ambient like choir vocals that is in the ground and moves at some ratio to how the sun rises. So there will always be this undertone of sound, but when you actually trigger the cutscene or trigger the script that moves the sun starts moving up from the horizon, and the audio player would be under your feet moving up towards you, so it would get closer and closer until it was like met you. And then it comes over here and it goes, and then it would fade to black from here, and then you would get one last, but you wouldn't know if that meant yes or no. So that's the game, like, or the video as like a whole is just here. Continue. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk. Fade to black. The end. Be like a 30-second video, maybe not even that. Shit. Okay. So, what do we need now? We need... Maybe I should look at my sheet. Okay, we got the objects we need. It would be cool to do lighting type stuff. I think it's got to be very possible to have there be like a skybox and or have the sun be more luminant and even possibly cast shadows as it rises up from the horizon. I'm not 100% on how to do that. I think maybe the sun itself is going to need like what is it called? A directional light? But I'm not sure yet. There's an environment something, like the world environment, this bit. Because I know world environment is meant to, that you can do something here. Ambient light, source, background, but I don't know any of it yet. I played around with it a lot for Cool Game Fun Game 8. Click on that environment there, okay? That I did. What do you mean? You want like a different, so no, it's just environment. And then you've got all these background, ambient light, reflected light. Yeah, I was fucking around with it a lot in Cool Game Fun Game 8, and I didn't get really very close to the results that I wanted. That's for some of the lighting stuff. We'll figure it out. Gray box is fine for now. Let's see, so I'm gonna get rid of this stuff. So we should probably come up with like ground texture, water texture, and also widen water plane so that it is not so obviously just a plane down there. I don't think we're doing this, and I think that that is outside of spec for the like match case situation. 3 versions of each. We need to do this. I guess I'll have to just add more match cases where... Okay, so what I would do... Okay, actually. So if we go back into the dialogue script down here, how do we... This word dialogue is this, and it'd play that sound. But then we would actually want 2 to be on 2. Don't do anything except change the text of war dialogue. So what we actually want is 2. Maybe doesn't need to war dialogue dot text equals, and then go here. Wait, where's war dialogue? Here. And then we want this. That's actually fine. Control. I want this to be, what is it, like that? Oh, wait, no, not there. Ooh. And we can just move this to here, and this to here. Is that how we want this? Not sure if needed, but to see when you're clicking on the characters, player hover selection crosshair. No, because it's not an actual game. It's just for Not a Game Jam. I don't actually click on the characters to cause the dialogue. I just have all of those UI, all those dialogue boxes hidden and like in my pocket, and then every time you right click, it goes through this match case, sees what it needs to do, and then increments the slideshow system up by 1. So it's literally just like a slideshow. So like here, I can fix these now. Change all these. It's gonna go up more every time. I wonder if there's a way for me to just increment everything by 1. Yeah, for what I need. That's one of the things I like a lot about Not a Game Jam 1, was that like I can do the hackiest, like duct tape, just fucking get it done type stuff. And it's like, that is bad code. And it's like, yeah, but no one's gonna play this. It's not a game. Let's see if this works. No. Invalid. Oh shit, what was that error? Fuck. Wait, wait. property key text with a value of type string on a base object control. What's the... Absolutely, yeah. I'd rather get bad code done than have good code in my brain. And that's just where it lives. How do I change this fucking value so that it is this new text? What is the thing I'm getting wrong here? Is it a method that I have to? No. Oh, it's because it's not the control label, it's the rich text label. Is this another one where I need to like... Can I just do dot label? How do I, Can I just, God, do I do it like this? Oh my God. I hate the way I make, okay, war text. Can I just do it like this? And then just put this one here? And then change, this to, was it war text? Does that work? Wait, it didn't do it. Wait. Set the object to be a rich text label. Set which, what? Which? On ready variable war text. I mean, it should just be that already, right? What was the value of type string cannot be assigned to variable rich text label? It can't? Oh, is it rich text label like dot text? Or like, how do I get the contents? How do I get the fucking contents? Like this. No, where is, no. This, how do I get this variable? Copy value. Set the object to be a rich text label. Hold on. Set the object? Type, Wait. Can I just, hold on, I want to see if I can just do it like this. What happens if I put this here? No, what? No. Okay, so I want what, this here? Does it need to, do I need to like say what it is? Does that even matter? Oh, dot text equals that. Okay. Text and value string on base object null instance. Why is it a null instance? Oh, because now I don't want this as... What? Come on, buddy. I just want to update your fucking text. It says null instance, so it says there's not a war text. I want this as rich text label, so I don't understand the value of that. Why do you want that? It says null instance. So... Okay. We can do that, sure, whatever. Values which won't return nodes in the scene tree before ready. I don't get why you need that though. Why does it care? Like, I thought that was just to avoid I thought that was just to avoid... Shut up. Remove that equals definition. Okay. Oh, sure. Well, it says that this is a null instance. It says Vortex is a null instance. It says it can't do it on property. Whoops. Invalid assignment of property text with value type string on base object nil. So it seems like it doesn't understand that this is a thing. Inspector. I can assign the individual rich text label to... Oh, right. 2D. Hide these. In the inspector, I exported it. And so now where is my... Isn't this the one that we... God, tell me I'm doing this in the right spot. No. Is it because it's on main? War text here. Assign. Oh! It doesn't fucking have anything yet. Allowed rich text table. I'm gonna show all. This one. This one, please. Oh, but these aren't... No, I need... I need this. How do I... Copy property path, copy value, main, war text. It wants straight up a thing. The labels are in scenes is the issue. So like, I'm supposed to be doing this on like the war dialogue control node itself. Because like if I go over here and I go to this one, I think. No, it's not. We don't even have it. There's gotta be, hold on. Is it really not? Okay, so because it doesn't actually want this. It wants this. If we put this here, Like, it knows that that is that. But it's not a property of this actual control node. It is a property of a subnode. Does this need? Yes, sort of. Yes, sort of. So it's trying to access it here, but it doesn't exist here. It exists inside of that scene, and so I guess is in that way immutable. Can I get down deeper into it? How do I do that? I guess we don't need this. You can set a node to have editable children. Okay. How? Control node. Node. How do I access the children of a scene? I guess I can just Google it. Godot make scene children editable. Edit properties of this button directly. You can edit properties of the editable for instant scenes, maybe you apply it to your button. It's to see because you can add a tool script. Tools automatic. Right click on the control node in the main scene. Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, fucking, okay. Yeah, that. War text. This. You fucking dickhead computer. God, I hate the computer. That should work, right? OnReady is not allowed in this level? Okay. Maybe I don't need that. That's fine. I also don't need it to... Do I need it to be... Do I need it to be? Should I put it in... But the OnReady, it also didn't like that. So, do I... Is it just another... But it doesn't like this either? Which won't return... Wait. Okay. There, fuck! Oh my god! Hey, I want to make one thing yellow and another thing not yellow. How hard is that? I don't know, man. Spend like 20 minutes on it. Fuck's sake! Okay, I need to get up. I need a break after that. But then we can do all the other ones for the match case. And then we should have all of our dialogues. We might need to make like a switch between things sound to play in the sound effects player when it switches to this other text. But I don't know about that yet. I'm gonna run ads and take a break. I'll be back in a minute. All right. So, can add sound effects in post. Yeah, I absolutely could. This is fine though. Honestly, adding the sound effects has been the least of my challenges. That went very quickly. What we need though is to make some more hacky garbage. So we need this. Let's see. Come make hacky garbage. Drug text. Everyone has editable. Everyone's children's are editable. We're going Gattaca. It's this. And then another one, please. This one's called Sun Text. There. And then war dialogue hide, play the confirm. And then we need a new 5, I think. I guess what we do is, yeah, we'll do 5. And then we do drug text dot text equals the drug dialogue label. Copy all that. It goes here. And then we change this. It goes here now. This goes here. And then these all need to get incremented. Assignment's not allowed inside an expression. What are you talking about? Oh. Ugh, they're doing that thing where they think they're helping me, but they're not helping because I'm just not used to them doing that. And then, okay, so then that should do the drugs one too. Oh, wait, is it? No, that's fine. Uh-huh. Cool. And then lastly, we need another one of these. How many of these are you allowed to have before the computers like stop it? Figure out a different way to do it. Oh, we already did sun text. We don't need that. We need it down here. Just sun dialog. And then right here, new 8. And then it is sun text dot text equals sun dialog. Get this. And then we're going like that, like that. Ooh, look, I did it without fucking up. Cut, that goes there. That goes there. And this goes here. We're actually missing a caret. Not that it matters. I don't think this font plate does carets. This needs to become 9. We actually want to do this, I think, a couple of times. Can you do ranges in match? Can you do like 8 through 12 equals like how would I do that? Godot match range of numbers. Oh, it is exactly like I was like, I wonder if it's just, oh my gosh, that's too easy. So we'll have this one be, actually, because we wanted to swap back and forth. So I don't know, it's technically different. We want 9 to be suntext text equals the original value. And then we want it to do that a couple of times while it fades to black. And I don't know, I guess you could make like a Boolean that's like switch the text. I don't fucking know. It might actually be easiest to just do it like this and then copy paste it. Let's make hacky garbage. Oops, of course. Yeah, that's not right. We need sun dialog. This again. Nope. Come here. Why? It's fine, whatever. And this would be 10. So now it should switch back and it should switch in and then switch back. Whoops. Whoa. Okay, something went really wrong. Equals font size. Do I have things in the wrong? Wait, where did it go wrong? No end font. Okay, I've got it built wrong. I did something wrong here. Font size is that, font is that, color. Oh, I didn't get rid of this. And then, yep, that one seems right. Why does it... What am I... Oh, I'm missing a whole chunk here. Uh-huh. And then... Oh, this is missing like it's missing those. And sun dialog. Wait, no, up here. Here we need a caret. Yep. Whoop. Okay, and then we need just repeat this a couple of times. Ugh. And then this becomes 9. This becomes 10. This becomes 11. This becomes 12. This becomes 13. Uh-huh. Yep. I think I need to turn off that tornado effect. That's stupid. It's inconsistent with everything else, and it resets when I click. And so there's like a jump in the animation. Why did it... Wait a minute. Is there an error again? Did I accidentally do... No, wait, why did it... Yes, no, yes, no, no. It does yes a second time. Yes, and then click and it goes to no. Then click and it goes to yes. Then click and it goes to no. Then click and it goes to yes. Wait. God damn it. Okay, so it starts on the default, and then it switches to no. So this is the first match case. Second, third. The third one is wrong. This one. This one should be... Why doesn't it... Then we switch back to this. And then we switch over to this. What's the issue? I don't understand why it's... No, it seems like it's right. Click, displays the text. This is 7. And then this is 8, 9, 10. 10 needs to be on no. 10 is for some reason not on no. Okay. What? Is that right? What the fuck? It shows the sun dialog, and then it switches the color to no. Then I click again, it switches the color to yes. Click again, it switches the color to no. Click again, switches the color to yes. Why does this not work right? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It says 10 is wrong. It won't switch to 10. It says 10 is wrong. 10 needs to be... I don't understand. 10 should be... Three, 4, 5, 6, on yes. That's the original display. So in my match cases, first one should have yellow around no. Second one should have yellow around yes. Third one should have yellow around no. Oh, I forgot I incremented these wrong. That's why my match cases are fucked up. Great. Okay. What do we have left? Done with this. Yep, we're pretty much done with this. Actually, I could say add random rotation to sub node orbiters. Make sun luminant. Let's make the sun luminant. I am going to be honest with you, I don't have the first clue how to do this. Material. New standard material. Emission. Innate, no. Emission. Yellow. Texture, don't need that. Good. We're good. That's all I need. It's not good, but it's like fine. It's better than a gray sphere. We need to widen. Whoa. We need to widen this plane that we've got. This one. Let's see, we make it fucking 10,000 meters. There we go. And then we need to change the material to be get rid of that texture. Make this color a blue color. Metallic? No, I don't think it needs to be metallic. I'm sure there's a pretty easy way to get like a nice sort of like texture shader or something on here. But how that's done off the top of my head, I haven't the foggiest. Yeah, it looks better. Not good, but better. Okay. Whoop, whoop, right, that does that. Oh god, gunshots. Oh god, okay. And so now, how might I make the sunrise? So we want What do we want? We want a new child that is an area 3D. Create. Where is it? Way down there. What do we need? It needs a collision shape. And that collision shape should be a box shape. Whoa. That is really big on the X, and it doesn't 200. Doesn't matter. I just need to be able to pass through it reliably. It can pretty much just be a like finish line situation. I think we want it to happen about here. And then we move the sun down. And then we want sun, add a script. And then node, no, what is the thing? What's the thing I'm thinking of where you connect things when it's like on area? It's like it's been a while since I did this. I forget how to do this. It's not gonna have. Yeah, I want a signal. Select a single node to edit its signals and groups. Yeah, this. Oh, great. I guess we want the signal from the area 3D? Collision shape? Area 3D? On area entered. Yeah. Connect to the sun. Connect. What? Okay, does it not? No, it hasn't saved it. It has a script. Cancel, cancel. Here, you, script, main, on area entered, connect to the sun. Okay. On area 3D entered. I guess here we do, what do we do? We do a Boolean sunrise triggered, and then in process function make an if statement that is if sunrise triggered do thing. Is that how I do this? Because I want it to move smoothly. I don't want it to warp. I want it to rotate, orbit slowly like it does, like the clouds do. So I'm just gonna make this on ready because I don't understand what those are, but we need it. Sunrise triggered. What is it? Equals false. And then on area 3D entered sunrise triggered equals true. And then function, wow, function process. if sunrise triggered equals true. For now, this is fine. It's going to keep rising, but it's fine. Position dot y plus equals just 1, just to see if it works right. Assignment is no, equals true. Position. Yep. Okay. And then actually I will go back here. We will go to this area 3D. I'm going to add a mesh just so that... Oh, wait. Cancel. Can I add it to this and it will add child node mesh? Can I just get the box mesh? And how big is this? 200. All right, and we will make it. We'll give it. We will give it a material that is like a different color, so that I can actually see it a little better. Oh, whoop. It's fine. Okay. So now it should be that when I pass through that blue bar, the sun starts rising. Talkity, talkity. Talkity, talkity. And then... Is it going? Doesn't seem like it's going. I think this signal might be wrong. On area 3D entered. No, we don't want on area 3D entered. We want like body entered, right? 3D body entered. And then connect that to the sun script. Connect. This. Because I'm not in area 3D, I'm a body. Boop. Is it rising? Is it going? How do I... if sunrise, I'll try and print debug. God damn it, dude. Ah! Do I have to do like this? It's not triggering. Why not? On area 3D, body entered. Body is a node 3D. Any node 3D, right? Like player is body entered. This should work. Is it on the wrong thing? Does the it's Does player have fucking collision? He's on collision layer 1, mask 2. Maybe that's why. Main area 3D collision layer 2. Doesn't really matter, I don't think. It's not triggering. I don't get why not. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, this is a good stuck point. I'm gonna go shower like I meant to this morning and eat something like dinner, and I'll just stop stream. We should be back later tonight, provided everything goes the way I want it to go. But I'm gonna pause right here, and we'll have to come back to it because I gotta eat. We made a lot of progress. Way more than I expected. Like there's a lot of stuff that I was really feeling hard stuck on, or anticipated being hard stuck on. Area 3D. Why aren't you? Why aren't you working? I should be getting a trigger for body entered, right? On area 3D entered body sunrise triggered equals true. I've run with these before. What? I'm wondering if there's other code I have. Button hitbox on area 3D entered area? Is that what I actually want? Or do I need to give the... Huh. It worked before with on area. Do you have any more print type debug shit going on? Is my debug also wrong? how about just print? So now it should just print false, 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 false. Oh, it's not even... Why is this not even working? Don't care. Does this... No. No, it should be sending the signal, because this is the button hitbox. We go inside of it. And it doesn't matter what... But it's also just not even printing this variable for like debug on process. It should be, right? Ugh, yeah, I don't know. It's a lot of program for me. I need a break. I need my brain to have a moment. We'll come back to it. We'll come back to it. I'm gonna take off for a while. I will see you guys in like, I don't know, 2 hours. What time is it? 4? Yeah.
That's the end of the show. All of us have got to go back on home. I hope you had a lot of fun. We'll catch you at the next one, or whenever we do at Fun